guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Hi, how are ya? Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we're cooking a starter from the Middle East. Again, you might say, but no, I'm dressed differently, so it's gonna be another video. Today we're cooking hummus. You can eat it with pita bread, you can eat it with carrot sticks, celery, you name it, you can eat it with it. Okay, maybe not dessert. Maybe not. Let's get started. We're going to be using some tahini, so that's sesame paste, bicarbonate, 1 lemon, cumin, olive oil, some salt. I like the picture. Here are the chickpeas that I left in fresh water overnight last night. We're going to rinse the chickpeas in clear water because, as you can see, the discoloration of the water is caused by the natural elements in the chickpeas that will get you your tummy to ache. So that's why you soak them in water for such a long time. As you can see, on the surface of the water you have the shells of the chickpeas. I personally don't unshell my chickpeas because it just takes so much time and is just not worth it taste-wise to unshell them for this dish. I have put enough water to cover my chickpeas and even more. I'm going to add bicarbonate. So this looks like this, bicarbonate. I just added 2 teaspoons of that. And that will speed up the process of cooking the chickpeas because this is what takes the longest in this recipe. So I just lit up the gas underneath the chickpeas. I put it on high for the beginning so that the water boils, and by the time the water will boil, we're going to reduce the heat and let them simmer. Should be ready in about half an hour after it starts boiling. So let's wait for half an hour. So first what we're gonna do is we're going to put 2 to 3 teaspoons of tahini into our mixer, and we're gonna put the lemon. Let's juice the lemon. Let's add our lemon juice to the tahini. Start mixing it up. Next ingredient we're going to add are the cumin seeds. As you can see here, the chickpeas are ready. So it's time to drain them, and really the bicarbonate cuts like the cooking time half, even more than half. Anyway, if you're using a pressure cooker, don't put any bicarbonate because otherwise the hummus is really gonna be like... Now we're going to drain. Make sure to get the water out. It's time to add a little bit of salt for flavor. As you can see, I've added the other chickpeas and I've left a couple to reserve to put on top of the finished product. So let's continue mixing. As you can see here, my hummus is getting really chunky. So at this point is where I'm going to add half a cup of cold water. Here's half a cup. As you can see, we're finally getting to the consistency that we want. So let's plate it. Today we're plating in one of my mom's favorite dishes. It's from the St. Petersburg porcelain factory, and so it's called Leningradsky Farforowy Zavod, and this is what Tsars used to eat from. Finish up with a drizzle of olive oil. I personally add it at the end because otherwise I'm afraid to make my hummus too oily. While plating, push your spoon into your hummus and create little dents like this, and that's the way it's served. Could maybe even add some olive oil, not too much though, huh? And here, as for the last touch, here is our lovely hummus. Hey, let's taste this bad boy. This is exactly how I love it. It's delicious. I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe maybe if you liked it and want to see more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!